Hi and welcome to oScholars tutorial. I'm Jay and this tutorial will be talking about admissions. Logged in account is for Odum Grace and she is a vice principal. Now this admission capability can be carried out in a situation whereby the school at any point in time whereby the students seek admission, they can sell out scratch card or distribute scratch card to those applicants, and they will use those scratch cards to log onto this platform and register or apply to be admitted into the school. Now on application, they can be scheduled for CBT, which is platform has the capability of actually managing for the school, and even if they are not scheduled for CBT, they can also be there is also the possibility of each teacher that's supposed to mark those their entrance exam can record their scores on the platform, and it will be available for the vice principal to go through and actually admit or not admit any person that is that depending on their performance or other parameters that are taken into consideration. Now we can use this dashboard of admission. You can click on this button to process admission. You can click on this button to view admission. Now these dashboards, about those 15 dashboard that the vice principal works with, all these things take they actually work on the current term, and if you want to process admission for either the previous term or upcoming term, you can access that from here. And as you can see, you can actually click on this button there. You'll be processing admission for, that is 2017-2018 second term. If this happens to be the upcoming section, your upcoming term, you can actually do that for that, or do admission for it. Now, but the ones that are open right now, clicking on any of this button, the current term is going to be the one is going to reference by default. Now let's click on process admission. Clicking on this process admission, we'll be given the list of all applicants depending on the classes which they want to which they are applying for. Now this particular class can be from this drop down. We find out that the applicants on this page are talking about the applicants of SS2. Now applicants, people that apply to what to be admitted to SS2, and those people will now you will now have the capability of actually seeing their record. After the gender is female for those particular applicants, and date of birth is this, the state of origin, local government of origin, and religion. You have that the score the person had in SS2 mainstream entrance exam for maths is 105. Now we can actually have a listing of all of them in terms of if you want to if there were many exams that the person wrote, maybe in English and mathematics only, and you can see the total of that is score, and the listing here will be by the highest score will come first and the lowest score will go down the page. Now we have card here. The card is it shows us the pin and serial number of the card the person used to seek admission. Now we can click admit and not admit, and based on this choice, and we can click save, and that particular admission start will be what will be reference to that particular person. You can see that this tab is for what no admission status yet, so these people have not had admission status marked updated by them by the vice principal. Now we can use this particular button to export their record in Excel format in such a way that we can work on that data. Then if we click on this, we'll have access to all applicants all the applicants that applied to actually gain admission into SS2. Now those applicants into SS2. We'll have this one. Let's say this one has been admitted. You can see that this one is in contextual color of blue, and this one is contextual color of that is ash, and you find out that this was the one we saw on the previous tab. Now this person is admitted. You can see that this person scored I think the person scored higher, so his own this particular interface actually ranked them by this total score they had in the exam. Now just like I said, you can have the brief description of their performance, academic performance, and some of the bio data. Then we can also use this particular interface to actually admit or or revoke admission of any member. Like this person that has been admitted, you can click on this particular not admit and submit, then the admission of that person will be revoked. Now we can actually click on this place to download the Excel sheet of the applicants for SS2, as this place tells us that is for SS2. Now it has given us the opportunity to save it, and clicking on this and showing it in folder, we'll have that. Maybe it's a little smaller. It has come up, and still go further to see. Now as you can see, my brother, well, as you can see, you have the full record of the person. You have the sum score is 125.44, and this one is about 105. The serial number of the pin, the pin, serial number of the scratch card, and the pin of the scratch card. We will also have some other stuff there. We also have some other detail about them, so we can make use of this for any particular purpose we want it for. So we'll remove that one. We can also click here and we'll have access to all those ones that have been admitted. And remember that the particular class of admission we choose is SS2, and we'll have that this person only was admitted, and this is the score which the person had, the score that the person had, and the person was admitted. At this juncture, we have come to the end of this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you next tutorial, and make sure your school is signed up on oScholars. Goodbye.